The Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions has ruled that in the case of missing University of the West Indies student Jasmine Dean, no murder charges will be laid against the men found with her belongings days after she went missing. In December 2020, Commissioner of Police Major General Anthony Anderson says after a year, the police will sought to add murder charges against the men. The police submitted the case file to the office of the DPP on April 26, 2021. But the Director of Public Prosecutions, Paula Llewellyn, says there is not enough material to increase the charge to murder.
When we examined the file in respect of the documentation, we discovered that there was insufficient material. I think there is sufficient from which we can infer that at this stage, Miss Dean is probably no longer with us. However, we have had cases where we have no corpus delicti. Vibes Cartel was one such case.
The men 40-year-old Tamar Henry, also called Braff or Lavish, and 36-year-old Gregory Wright, also called G, were found with belongings Dean had the night she went missing. Jasmine's father, Lloyd Dean, is expressing disappointment with the decision.
I don't understand nothing more about it. I haven't told them so long, I may have to understand it. So I don't even know what's going on.
But the DPP says for murder charges to be laid, the Crown must be able to prove without a shadow of a doubt that the men murdered Dean.
So the threshold is very high. And we operate in an ethical construct and according to law. So it has nothing to do with sympathy, empathy, or what would be prevailing in the court of public opinion.
It's been 1 year and 3 months since Dean went missing, and with the recent ruling, her family is no closer to closure. Christine Forbes for CVM Live.